Hello everyone. Just thought I'd bring you a short video on a 1911 that I have in my possession right now. It's a Dan Wesson long slide with 6-inch barrel. It's called the Bruin model. It's an all stainless gun. It's got a bronze frame, which is just a bronze coating. Really interesting gun. It's in 10 millimeter. It has really beautiful G10 checkered grips on it. It's got a nice rounded mainspring housing, beaver tail safety, a square hammer, which I find really unique and unusual. Solid trigger, flat top, of course. A titanium fiber optic front sight. It has standard champion style adjustable rear sight. It's got nice front cocking serrations on it, which I kind of like. Some people don't. It's personal preference. But with the long slide, I think the front cocking serrations work really well. It's got a standard, 8+1 magazine. Nothing super special. It's a single stack. Interesting thing about Dan Wesson 1911s is, I know in the early days when Dan Wesson first started making 1911s, they were using a lot of Ed Brown internals. Now that CZ's involved, I don't necessarily know if that's the truth or not, but this is a really, really tight gun. It has superb features. It's not a cheap gun, but in the 1911 market, it's not a super expensive gun these days either. It's actually pretty affordable, relatively speaking. But this is a fun gun if you're into 10 millimeter, which is a great caliber for deer hunting in states that allow you to deer hunt. It's got the barrel length that is legal. All in all, I find that this is a really nice, affordable 1911. It's got 25 lines per inch checkering on the back strap and the front strap, which is kind of nice. With the G10 grips, it's a nice complement. It gives you a really good grip. If you're in the market for any type of a hunting handgun, Dan Wesson's the way to go. It's a quality firearm. They're superb in their craftsmanship, the fit, the finish. It's not loose. There's no rattle. This is a very tight gun. And honestly, in today's market value for the price, I think it's a superb buy. Whether you go with the 9mm 45 ACP or the 10mm for target and handgun hunting purposes, this is a really, really nice gun. I think everyone should look into it if you're wanting a fairly affordable but yet not over the top 1911 price point. I want to think this is around the $2,000 range, which again, it's going to be higher than a Kimber. You get a lot more bang for your buck. The quality's better than a Kimber. Not knocking Kimber, but just saying that you're going to pay a little more for this gun than you will, say, like a Kimber, but it's really worth the extra dollars. If you have any questions about it, leave the questions in the comments section. We'll be more than happy to answer them. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this. And just remember, it's all about shooting guns and having fun. Everyone, have a great day.